Welcome to the third day of the challenge. Today we will set up our project and take a look at basic routing in Angular. So let's talk about some more theory before we really get started and get our hands dirty. So in multi-page applications, when a user clicks a link, an entire web page is downloaded from the web server, as we already know. The current page is unloaded and it's replaced with a recently downloaded page. Page navigation mechanism is different in single page applications though. When you click the counter link in the default application, the counter component is loaded to a specific portion of the page and the rest of the page remains unchanged. The unchanged part is the app component, the default main component of our application. The app component includes a container for other components. The container is called a router outlet. When a user clicks a link, the Angular framework loads the corresponding component into this router outlet. But how does Angular know which component to load to the router outlet? We can set path or addresses to Angular components. Paths are different from selectors. Developers can create links to the components which have path assigned to them. The Angular framework loads the component into the router outlet when a user clicks a link. A pair of path and component is called route. Angular routes are different from ASP.NET MVC routes. MVC routes are addressed to controller actions, whereas Angular routes are usually component paths. When a user clicks an action link in an MVC application, a request is sent to the server and a controller action is called. However, Angular routes are component addresses. Whenever a user clicks an action link in an Angular application, the Angular framework finds a component based on its address, then loads the component into the router outlet without sending a request to the server or without reloading the page. Alright, so now let's hop over, let's create our flight booking portal project and let's discover routing, clean up the project and really get starting developing on it. See you in the next video.